how to log in to WhatsApp web. So if you want to log into your WhatsApp web, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for www.whatsappweb.login. And once you've searched, here you will have your WhatsApp web, right? So you can simply click on that. And now to log into your WhatsApp, what you need to do is simply scan this. So open up your mobile, and once you open your mobile, you can go for your WhatsApp. Open up your WhatsApp and go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and go for linked devices. And now tap on link a device. And then you need to scan the QR code which is on your desktop. So tap on OK and continue. And here you need to scan this. And once you've scanned, you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your WhatsApp application. And if you have any questions, that's it. That's how you log into your WhatsApp web. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.